y'all can see behind.
YouTube, what up? It's your boy Leak again, bringing you guys another vlog. Today it's going to be on the 2023 Kia Telluride SX Prestige. We finally got it in, all right? Going to show you guys features and functions. Please don't forget to like the video, comment, share, and also subscribe if you haven't already. And also, if you want to see more videos in the future, hey, click the notification bell too, all right? Let's get to it. Here we have it, 2023. Man. Headlights are different on it. Sheesh. Also got a change for the tail lights as well. Wow, this thing's beautiful, man. It's beautiful, beautiful. This one's everlasting silver as well. Man, she's nice. Now, also a big difference in this one. Got a new key fob for it too. New key fob. It's very nice. Let's get it started. Powerful mirrors too. Amazing. As you can see already, a bigger difference from the 22 to the 23. We got our digital dash, bigger display. And just like the Sportage, when you change your drive modes, the cluster also changes as well. One of my favorites, you guys should already know, is Sport. Oh man. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. All right, we out. Bang, bang. Still got that blind spot view monitor. Wow. And this is even the top trim, y'all. Speed limit. I don't know if you guys can see it. Speed limit has like a little stop sign. Like you can see the speed limit, the stop sign right there. Also speedometer and a heads-up display. It's really, really cool. Really cool. Also in sport mode too, so she got that pickup. Got that pickup today. Oh man. And that's funny, we're shooting a video, and of course there's another Telluride in front of us. I believe that's a 2021. Oh man. 2023 meets 2021, huh? See the interior too. It's nice wood finish right here. Interior has this nice finish. Basically has everything you need. Everything that you need. That pickup you need.
By Jay.
is. All new front fascia. LED headlights. Grill redesign as well. Oh man, she looks good, y'all. Video still doesn't do it any justice though. Still doesn't do it any justice. Oh man, this is different. This is different. Still got a lot of room as well in it. This camera quality doesn't do it any justice, man. You got to see it yourself for your person. Definitely got to see it in person for yourself to see how this thing really looks. And I still can't get over this screen. Like, I really can't get over it. Power liftgate too makes it really easy. Real easy for you. Real easy for you. Sheesh. These tail lights though. Hey guys, for the last video I did with the smart power liftgate feature, this car also has that feature as well. And right now I'm going to show you that it works. So right now I have my key fob, not pressing anything, walk towards the car. And then once you walk towards it, your lights are going to go ahead and blink. Basically, you know that the smart power liftgate is opening. Basically, whenever the car detects the key, it'll open right up for you. And there we have it. Open up for us. Now, there's also a feature when you walk away from the car, it'll also close as well. As you can see, not pressing anything, and it closes. As I mentioned before, the video doesn't do any justice for the 2023 Telluride SX Prestige. And the crazy thing is that this is not even a top trim anymore. These guys were in the past, you know, for the 2022 to 22 SX Prestige was the highest trim. But now you got levels above this. It's crazy. And I still can't get over this key fob as well, guys. Like, this key fob, like, it's just crazy to see the change with it, you know. But this is the future. This is the future. Now, for those asking about that smart power liftgate feature, by the way, so to get to that, you go to your setup, vehicle, then you're going to scroll down to door, and basically you have the option here for the power tailgate. So if you want to only have it on, not to be manual. Now, for your smart power liftgate, for it to open when you walk towards it, you want to make sure this is checked off. And you also want to make sure the liftgate auto close is checked off as well. That way it'll close once the key is no longer detected. And with this too, you can also have your option if you want to have an opening speed be fast, opening speed be slow, whatever the case may be. The same thing with opening it. You'll have different options as well if you don't want it to be fully open, whatever it does open up. With the 23 Kia Telluride SX Prestige, you still are getting your heated and your cooled seats for both the passenger and driver's side. All for your second row too. So I'm not losing out on that. You're also still getting your side window curtains as well for the kids whenever they're in the second row. Oh man. Still got a very good turn radius on it as well. Sheesh. Can you imagine me getting this? Forget about having a race car. Let's get the #1 SUV. The Rolls Royce Kia is what I call it. Let's get her back in sport mode too. There we go. Oh man. Man, oh man. I really want to see the X Pro Prestige. That's what I really want to see. Them wheels, man. Them wheels look nice. That camera though, look at that. Oh boy. Man, this gets me excited. Camera gets me excited for sure. This 360 camera though. What would they call it? Surround view monitor. Look at that. And of course you can switch back if you want to see. But I gotta straighten up quick. You also get your front camera in it as well. There we go. Straighten her up a little bit. Boom. Real quick. Get to see all around for it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And you still got your overhead as well. Zoom in and out on it. Sheesh. Now, I know we just saw the 360 camera. I'm also going to show off another feature as well that I actually really like. So, I get a lot of questions about this. So, I've had questions about this in the sport. People are like, hey, how do I get my cluster to stay just the same? Instead of this interchangeable drive modes, how do I keep it the same all the time, right? So, once again, so you're going to be, oops, it's going to turn my display off. All right. So, once again, you're going to come to your home, right? You're going to go into your vehicle settings. You're going to go to vehicle. You're going to go down to cluster. Clusters theme selection. Boom. So you can either have it linked to your drive mode, or you can have it set up to A, which this is A right now, or B, which is the one for sport mode, or C, which is this one right here. But you know what? It's not this 3. You got a 4th one, and it's called dynamic. Oh my gosh, would you look at that? I think I'm gonna keep it that way. I think I'm gonna keep it that way. Oh my gosh, look at that. That dynamic is amazing. Amazing, amazing. And of course, blind spot view monitor is still there. But oh my gosh, this video doesn't do it justice. I don't even know what else to talk about after that. But I know people have had a lot of questions about, hey, how do I keep my drive mode the same? And of course, I'm changing my different drive modes and it will stay the same now for you. But that dynamic is amazing and it is lovely. Very, very lovely. About the Telluride that is still there is the passenger talk, which is going to be this right here. So when I see passenger talk, it kind of makes me think of the school bus. You know how, you're going to school and it had an intercom in a school bus, kids are being bad or something, or you need the kids to quiet down, or you had announcements to give to the kids. Well, passenger talk, that's what the Telluride does. You press this, it allows your voice to project through the car. Now, I don't know if you guys can hear me on it. I'm not sure if you can tell the difference or not, but basically the microphone will pick up the driver's voice and play it through the rear speaker. So that way, if you don't want to yell at the kids when you're driving, all you got to do is hit passenger talk. That way you can talk to them. You don't got to yell, none of that. It is pretty amazing and it is really, really cool. Basically, if you want to have something as your favorite, so go ahead and come down to this star right here, hit that. If you want to have quiet mode, your home button, your Bluetooth audio, your phone projection. By the way, if you didn't know, you still get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Only thing is that it is wired, but you still can utilize it. And I've also seen in some cases people will get an adapter that you can get off of Amazon, wherever the case may be, and you'll be able to still use your wireless charger, which is this right here, this wireless charging pad. I don't know if you guys can see it. And you'll also still be able to wirelessly do your CarPlay, but you got to get that adapter. It's on Amazon. All right, I got my demonstrator John right here. What's going on? He's driving for me, so that way we can see this last part of this video. So this is pretty cool. So right now the camera, not the camera, but the rearview mirror is regular right now. Just flip the switch on it. Oh my God, look at that. You now can see behind. This absolutely tripped me out because I was trying to figure out what the digital mirror was. It's one of the new features in the 23 Kia Telluride. It's absolutely amazing. So here, we'll flip back to regular. Then boom, digital rear view mirror, okay? So you can have your garage options right here for whatever you want to set up to your garage. You also have your settings here for it as well if you want to direct it up and down. For your brightness. I'm gonna keep it short, simple, sweet, to the point. All right, the 23, it has so many features and functions. This vehicle is even more all around amazing before. Like, I've already loved the 22, but this driving the 23, like, it makes me fall more in love with it. And honestly, I'm thinking I might have to go and just get a Telluride. Forget about getting another Hellcat. Forget about getting a race car. Forget about getting the regular Hellcat, track, whatever the case may be. I might have to just go ahead and get one of these. But honestly, y'all, if you want to find out more, please go ahead, hit the link down below. That's going to be my link tree down there. You'll be able to connect with me on Instagram, TikTok, whatever the case may be. If you guys want to have more questions all about the vehicle, I'll also be including a link down below. That way you can see, hey, the pricing on this vehicle in case you're looking to buy. In this particular one I showed, it is for sale. So if you want to buy it or particularly looking to get a Telluride, hey, hit me up. I'm gonna take care of y'all, all right? Other than that, y'all, hey, it's your boy Leak again. Great doing this video for y'all, all right? Hope to catch you soon in the next video. Next video, it may drop another one tomorrow. Who knows? Who knows? I may actually drop another one tomorrow. It's gonna be another new vehicle that was released for Kia for 2023, all right? Hope to see you soon, all right? Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell too if you want to see the next video, all right? Catch you guys later. Adios.